I wish I could help you.
I wish I could have come.
I wish I could.
I wish I could change it, but I can't.
I wish I could. I really do.
I wish I could take it all back.
I wish I could tell you how I feel about you.
So I'm sorry. I wish I could take your offer, but Mary stays.
I can't change Sam. I wish I could, but I can't.
I wish I could let you just live in your fantasy world.
I wish I could share that.
Oh, I wish I could celebrate with you tonight. I just have to go out of town for a few days.
I wish I could help you. I really do. But it's not that simple.
I wish I could do more, but we're moving out.
I am going with you.
You sure you can't come with us?
Oh, Sydney, I wish I could.
I wish I could have taught you this, son.
It's okay, Dad.
Give her to me.
I wish I could, honestly.
I wish I could be here to see the play.
Oh, no, the play's dead after all this.
Can't you refuse?
I wish I could. But they are holding my daughter.
I wish I could be happy like you.
God, you gotta get more sex.
What did you just say?
I said I wish I could go back to the beginning of the season. Put some money on the Cubbies.
Light music, romantic, is very, very, very. Please, you come.
I wish I could.
I wish I could apologize. I wish I could tell her that her papa was trying to come home. That he loved her so much.